Number 3, factor h squared plus h minus 12 using the AC method. So, let's write this down right here. So, I'm pretty sure you've learned this by now. We assign each term a letter. So this is A, B, C. Not hard, right? The top of this X box is going to be A times C, and the bottom will be B. So what do I mean by that? What is negative 12 times 1? Technically there is a 1 here. Negative 12 times 1. Negative 12, correct. That goes up here. So remember, this guy times that guy. This right here is h, so there's technically a 1 here as well. So what I like to do is simply look at all the multiples, because we have to find out two numbers that multiply together to give us 12, however add up and give us 1, right? So let's start in order. Let's do 1 times 12 equals 12. What about 3 times 4 equals 12? What about 6 times 2 equals 12? I think that's good enough. So we need two numbers that multiply together give us negative 12. However, when added together, give us positive 1. 1 plus 12 equals 13, so it can't be that one. What about this one? 6 plus 2? Let's say one's a negative. That would be what? Negative 4. If we did that one negative and this one was the positive, that would be what? Still not good enough. 3 times 4 gives us 12, but we need a minus. So why don't we do this? Negative 3 times positive 4 would give us negative 12. However, 4 minus 3, right, gives us 1. I think we got it. So now we're going to write everything back to normal, except, now hear this part. This part gets replaced with what goes in here. And what do I mean by that? So this, we established negative 3, positive 4. So this part would be negative 3h, because there's an h, plus 4h minus 12. Oops, sorry, I forgot a squared. So h squared stays the same. Negative 12 stays the same. This middle guy is what changes and splits into these guys. And negative 3 and a positive 4. So negative 3h, positive 4h. Now, just like we've done before, we're going to use grouping. So let me get this guy out of the way. I think that's good enough. So, we're going to group these guys, just like we did in the previous video. So if you don't know GCF, you can't do grouping. If you don't know grouping, you can't use the AC method. What can we factor out here? He has an h, no number. He has a number and an h. I guess we're going with the h as, who's smaller h? H to the 1 power or h to the second? H to the 1 power, correct. 2 minus 1, just h, right? Minus, see a minus, you write a minus. Is there a number here? No, 3 goes there. H to the 1 power minus h to the 1 power, it's just 0, so don't write anything. See a plus, write a plus. Let's do here. He has a number, a letter, he has just number, so 4, actually yeah, 4 would be the greatest common factor here, because right, 4 times 1 couldn't give us 4, however, 4 times 3 gives us 12. We did that earlier here. So we're going to take out a 4. H would be left over right here, minus, and then 4 times what gives us 12. 3. Now, this is the important crucial part. If this matches that, we know we've done it right, which it does. So awesome for us. So h minus 3, we factor out now from the whole thing, this guy right here, and that's part of the answer. Who's left over? H, what's left over here? Plus 4. And that is how you do the AC method. Not too hard, right?